And you really make $2,460 a month in Nexus Snap. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, Nexus Snap is a new network marketing opportunity that is currently in pre-launch, but it's about to go live in just a few short weeks. But the owners of Nexus Snap, they are professing that Nexus Snap is the best $10 online business opportunity out there, period. All right. Now, I must say, as a member of Nexus Snap, the compensation plan is fire. Like, the earning potential of Nexus Snap really is dope. But there is one thing that people are starting to talk about when it comes to Nexus Snap, and it's that when you go over the compensation plan, even when you see the owners go over the comp plan, you will see that they talk about how you can earn $2,460 without having to sell anything or recruit anybody. So of course, people are talking just like they was doing with the Live Good thing. Remember, Live Good was always saying how you can earn $2,047 with no recruiting, blah, blah, blah. It's the same effect going on with this, right? Only difference is Snap is saying you can earn $2,460 a month without having to do no recruiting. So is this real? All right, that's what you want to know. And the answer is yes, it is real. But there's something that you must know about this. When, just like even with Live Good, keeping it real, but $2,460 can be earned monthly with Nexus Snap. But you have to remember one thing. It could happen. It is possible. Nexus Snap has many ways that you can make money, and one of the ways is from their 3x9 matrix. Now, if you're not really sure what a matrix is, basically it's where everybody goes who's on your team, right? People are placed above you, underneath you, and they call it a matrix. Well, I don't really know, all right? But anyway, so as your matrix fills up, right, you get paid from everybody in your matrix. Now, this is a little bit of money, but the money will add up. There are two ways that you can get people into your matrix. The first way is people that you personally bring in to Nexus Snap. Well, obviously. The second way is you can get people that come from above you, drop down into your matrix, and that is called spillover. So basically, say you don't do anything with Nexus Snap, right? You don't recruit not a damn soul into the company. But something that you need to know is whenever you have a position in Nexus Snap, that's your position. So for every person that comes in to the company, they have to go underneath somebody else, right? So as the company grows and more people recruit and more people come into the opportunity, they have to go somewhere, and eventually people are going to start falling into your matrix even without you doing anything. Now, you might be watching this and be like, hell yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I'm gonna join right now and sit back, and by next week I'll be earning $2,000 a month from Nexus Snap. This is the best video I've ever seen. Stop. All right, don't think like that. All right, because here is the truth about spillover and potentially earning $2,460 a month. All right, spillover can happen, and as long as the company keeps growing and more people coming, it will happen. But there is no timeline of when this can happen. And not to say that you can't start getting spillover soon, but it's usually a little trickle down effect. All right, so for example, say you joined today, right? And you did nothing, which you should, but just say you did nothing. You didn't try to promote it. You didn't recruit anybody. There's a chance you could start getting spillover maybe in 2 months. You might look into your back office and be like, wow, I'm getting an extra $12 a month, right? And just say you don't do nothing for a whole nother year, which once again, you should, but let's just say you didn't. You might log into your back office and see, hey, you getting an extra $60 a month and you ain't do nothing. You know what I'm saying? You ain't do nothing. And then maybe in 3 years from now, you might log into your back office and see you're getting $600 a month, right? Potentially, right? From spillover because you didn't do anything. Like, that is actually possible. That could happen. And if the company just explodes and just goes crazy, you can max out without you doing anything at $2,460, because that means your whole matrix has filled up. As many people as possible could fit into your matrix. When it's filled, it will equal $2,460 a month. So yes, this is exciting as hell, because just by you joining Nexus Snap and doing nothing, you giving yourself that little potential to earn that kind of money. But keeping it all the way real, like, Nexus Snap is super easy to promote, super easy to make money with. So if you do join Nexus Snap, yes, you could start earning spillover by doing nothing, but like, you could make a lot more by just promoting the opportunity, right? Like, you get $25 fast start commissions, you get commission override, you get matching bonuses, you get all of these other ways that you can start earning extra income streams just by promoting the opportunity. And that's what I'm doing. All right, you see that. That's why I put so much content, make so many videos talking about Nexus Snap, because this is one of them opportunities that if you really work, you can start earning a couple $1,000s a month, $5,000-$10,000 a month, because that's my goal, straight up. And it should be your goal too, if you decide to jump on with Nexus Snap. So yes, it is possible to earn $2,460 a month with Nexus Snap, but why make that when you can make a lot more? So to get started with Nexus Snap and jump on your boys' team, click that first link in the description, and I will see you on the other side.